Yes.
Oh, put water.
Sorry about that.
Ah, that Riva. Riva! Do it. Turn it on first. Turn it on first,
This
loves.
On?
Yeah, here.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm the one doing it. And then
I just have to put it under spoon.
all the way up.
Oh, all the way up.
And then wait for it to turn.
Green.
Where?
There.
Oh, there. Green.
Yep.
There. Oh.
And leave it.
Noisy.
Why is it not coming out?
Because there. Go.
That's good. Cucina.
Prepare it. Tissue.
No, it's American.
American. Oh, okay.
It's this one.
American. Oh.
Done.
Yeah, it's done.
Because of the water.
Yeah. But let's add more water because Nina doesn't like it very strong. If you need just water, you're good.
You just need water, you put it in.
Okay, what do you do? Okay.
Clear it up.
I always tell you to
Yes.
put this down first.
Yes,
because
I
when you
always
shake it
do
out-
that.
Okay. There you go. Discard.
Skirt, that's it. Hmm.
Is it green?
And
Turn
Yes.
it off. Turn it off. Switch. And then
Okay.
serve it to Nina. Be careful. Wait 1 second, 1 second.
wow.
Just
So cool.
Hold it.
Dolce
Careful.
Gusto.
Can you do it? She might want sugar. Then I'm gonna need to.
This is coffee.
Mm-hmm.
And you're
Yeah.
supposed to follow this.
That's the
That's
indicator.
indicator.
Okay.
So you put it up to here.
But
Okay.
But if you want more coffee, you put it up to here.
the third
Oh.
one, the third one.
Or the third one.
2
Up to
or
3.
3.
Up to here. And
Okay.
then after that, this is the milk. This is the milk. It should be up to here.
So that means.
So that means it's here.
Okay.
But
want
if
less
you want
milk?
less coffee, you can put it up to here.
So this is for the coffee.
You put the coffee first. This is
Coffee. And
yes.
this is the milk.
There's colors.
Mhm.
So you put the coffee first before the milk.
Okay.
So which one is
Then
coffee?
just remove the coffee. And then put the milk.
Yes.
Yes,
Ah,
so,
okay.
but you have to be careful. It's hot, so you have to use a tissue.
Mm.
So you put below and then you remove it. But before you remove it, you have to open it first and then get a tissue. Go in there, you get
You
it.
pull it.
You pull it and then get it. Till you're done, you put it here, done. But you turn it.
Okay.
Colors.
Mm-hmm.
So you put the coffee first before the milk.
Okay.
So which one is
Then
coffee?
just remove the coffee, and then put the milk.
Yes.
Yes,
Ah,
so,
okay.
but you have to be careful. It's hot, so you have to use a tissue.